In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a prompt in ChatGPT. We will walk through changing your ChatGPT plan, step by step, so you always know exactly what you should be seeing on your screen. First, open ChatGPT. On a computer, this usually means going to the ChatGPT website in your browser, while on a phone or tablet, you might be opening the ChatGPT app. Once it loads, you should see the familiar chat layout with a sidebar on the left and a main chat area on the right, or a simple chat screen on mobile. Next, log into your account. Use the same email and sign-in method you originally used, such as email and password, Google, Apple, or another provider. After logging in, your name or account icon should appear near the bottom left on desktop, or usually in a menu on mobile, confirming you are in the correct account before you change anything. If you are in free trial, you may see a banner or label that mentions free access or a trial period near the top or around your account name. That is your hint that you are not yet on a fully paid plan. This is helpful because any changes you make now will switch you from that trial status to the regular plan you select. Now, click Upgrade near your profile picture. On desktop, this is usually close to your name or the small avatar circle, often in the lower left side of the window. When you click Upgrade, a new page or panel opens, usually showing different plan options, with details like features, price, and billing frequency. From there, open Account or My Plan. Look for a section label that clearly mentions Account or My Plan, often in a sidebar or at the top of the page that just opened. When that section opens, you should now see your current plan highlighted, the status of your subscription, and any available upgrade or manage buttons. Next up, select Manage Plan or the available upgrade option. This is usually a button right beside your current plan name. Clicking it opens a small window or a dedicated page that focuses on changing your subscription. You might see choices for upgrading, downgrading in the future, or changing how often you get billed. With that ready, choose the plan you want. Take a moment to read the descriptions under each plan name, such as what models or limits are included. When you select a plan, it is usually highlighted or checked, and the price per month or per year becomes very clear before you continue. After that, follow the payment instructions. The screen will guide you through entering or confirming your payment details, like card number or another supported method. As you move through these fields, any missing or incorrect information usually shows a small error message so you can fix it before continuing. Finally, confirm the change. There will be a clear confirmation button, and after you click it, you should see a short success message and your new plan listed as active in the plan section. You have now successfully changed your ChatGPT plan to the option that works better for you today. So if this helped, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more clear ChatGPT tutorials like this.